The first reason is it protects privacy and security. Responsible use of technology helps to safeguard personal data from cyber threats and breaches. Another point is it promotes fairness and accountability. Ethical practices ensure that there is transparency and prevent exploitation of digital interactions. It reduces digital footprints. Minimizing unnecessary data helps protect your online privacy and also sustainable digital ecosystem. It fosters a safe digital environment. So we are talking about responsible use, reducing the risk of cyberbullying, misinformation, and sharing of harmful content online. It supports vulnerable community. Ethical technology use prevents exploitation and also ensures that there is inclusivity. It encourages ethical development. By use of technology responsibly, we are contributing to creation of a secure, fair, and trustworthy future technologies. It also maintains trust in digital interaction. So when you use technology responsibly, our digital spaces remain reliable and then safe for users. And finally, it helps in cybersecurity awareness. So this promotes an understanding of how to protect oneself from online. So this is the focus of this competition and this discussion about cybersecurity and digital sustainability.